Hey everyone, Hank with Outer Rim Travels here, and welcome to my quick tour of Disney Sequoia Lodge at Disneyland Paris. Yes, Wilderness Lodge vibes. Here we go. Yep, I'm a fan of that warm, cozy vibe of this type of resort. Here are your buses that do take you over to the parks and where you would catch the train as well. Let's walk through the lobby, and here you've got the front desk. Notice the dark woods and the stone that help create that kind of rustic, American National Park vibe at the resort. Keep walking over here. You've got the concierge desk on the right. They're super nice and super helpful. And your restrooms here on the left. One little store is here on this side. And then we walk through the Redwood Bar and Lounge. I mean, tell me that doesn't feel like Wilderness Lodge or the Grand Californian, you guys. Right? Then at the other end, you've got a second gift shop. There you go. And each of the Disney hotel properties do have meet and greet opportunities right inside the hotel. See, right here. Pluto was there earlier. Okay, so now we're at the lower level. Let's check out one of the buffet restaurants, which is Hunter's Grill. We didn't have a chance to dine here because, again, our time was very precious. We were on limited time, and why we chose McDonald's as a quick kind of grab-and-go option. But here, take a quick peek at the restaurant. Here's the buffet station on the left. We've got lots of little tables scattered throughout. Each of Disney's hotels also has an indoor pool. How pretty is that, you guys? This one's got a slide and everything. Really nice recreational area at the hotel. They've got pool tables and gaming tables. There's a lounge right over here on the left as well. And as you exit the building, each entrance does have security check. We were located at the Yosemite Lodge. So let's walk over so I can show you guys our room. It's over here on the right. Okay, here we go. We were room 210. And as you walk inside, you've got your bathroom here on the right. There's your sink and mirror. And over here, you've got your bathtub and the shower. There you go. Behind the door on this side is your toilet. And here you've got a safe on the right. Here on the left, you've got your dresser and a coffee maker with your TV set. It's a tiny one. And your 2 queen-size beds. I really like the Bambi-inspired decor of the room. Though I will say these rooms are in need of refurbishment. They do need a bit of an update. Here's our view outside. Love that woodsy kind of vibe. Pricing will be determined by the time of the year, but this is one of the really affordable properties at Disneyland Paris. So, price it up with your hotel ticket and maybe a premier pass and shuttle, and you are good to go. Of course, flights aside. As you exit Sequoia Lodge, you've got Disney Village in the middle, so with the Marvel Hotel on the right, there's Iron Man, and Newport Bay on the left. Again, these are the 3 closest, aside from the Disneyland Hotel, which is right at the gate. Please feel free to reach out if you're interested in booking Disneyland Paris.